To do my brows, I'm going to take my Inglot's brow liner gel. This is in the shade 20, and to fill it in, I'm going to use my 208 angled brush from MAC. To prime my lids, I'm going to use my Urban Decay's All Nighter Waterproof Concealer. For my eyeshadows, I'm going to go with the Naked Heat palette, and I'm going to pick up the shade He Devil, which is this one here. The next shade I'm going to pick up is called Ashes, and it's this one right here. Now I'm going to carve out my cut crease with the Urban Decay's All Nighter Concealer. For the shade to go on my eyelid, I'm going to use Low Glow, which is the shade here. I'm going to draw my wing liner using Stilla's Intense Black Eyeliner Pen. So I'm going to go ahead and do the rest of my face first, and then I'll go back and do the glitter. To prime my face, I'm going to use Benefit's Professional Primer. For foundation, I'm going to be using Estee Lauder's Double Wear Foundation, and this is in the shade Rich Caramel. To contour my face, instead of using a bronzer, I'm going to use an eyeshadow from MAC Cosmetics. This one's called Brown Down. Although it looks matte, it's a very beautiful Velux shade, which blends into the skin quite well. For my highlight, I'm going to use Champagne Pop from Becca, which is that shade there. For my lips, I'm using Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink in the shade Pioneer. Moving on to the lower lash line, I'm going to pick up He Devil from the Naked Heat palette again and just buff it in. With the same palette, I'm going to pick up Ashes and I'm going to buff it right onto my lashes. mascara I'm going to use is from Clinique. To set my glitter, I'm going to use glitter glue from Too Faced. The glitter I'm going to use is from Stila and it's in the shade Bronze Belle. Sorry, my camera died in the middle there. I've just put on my lashes and these are from Ardell. They're the Demi Wispy lashes. And this is the final look with the Stila glitter running through the crease, and that's in the shade Bronze Belle. I really hope you like this look, and please don't forget to like and subscribe.